Hey there, beautiful one. This is Faith Hunter, and welcome to this short and simple morning flow to set the tone for your day and open your heart to limitless possibilities. Go on and cross those legs, spine is long, and start to take a couple of deep breaths in and out of your nose. So I'm kind of just moving my upper body a little bit, feeling into the moment, grounding into my hips. And then I'm going to place one hand over my belly, one hand over your heart. Relax the shoulders and breathe deeply in and out of your nose. Set your personal intention. Repeat a few of your morning affirmations or just allow gratitude to flow through you. Breathing in and breathing out. You're going to inhale, sweep those arms high over your head, reach through your fingertips, and then just kind of rock your body from right to left. Now those arms extend and then the palms come to your heart. Place the palms facing down on your knees, and we're going to take some Sufi grinds. You're going to inhale, chest forward, move your body to the right, back, and left. It's like you're stirring your morning cup of tea. Inhale, exhale, round. Nice big circles. Keep those hips grounded. Palms are facing down. Again, sweep the arms high over your head. Rib cage can move a little bit from right to left, sway a little bit. I'm feeling that nice Jamaican breeze move through me. And then you're going to take a twist. The right hand is going to come behind you. The left hand is going to come to your knee. Now, I like taking breath of fire, powerful inhale, powerful exhale out of my nose. But know that you can just simply breathe deeply in and out of your nose. Deepen that twist for another breath or two. And then sweep your right arm up and over your head. The left hand stays on your knee. The right palm is facing down now. Center of your chest is lifting up as you stretch to the side. Keep both hips grounded. Breathe deeply in and out of your nose. Lift your upper body and cross your right arm in front of your left. So that means the right hand is on your left knee, left hand is on your right knee. Arms are crossed and you are folding. Softening the chin into your chest and breathing deeply as your hips stay grounded into the earth. Slowly lift your upper body. And you're going to keep those arms crossed, but we're going to do eagle arms. So the elbows are crossed, the forearms are crossed, the hands are crossed, if that's comfortable, and make nice little circles. And make sure you make those circles in the opposite direction. This really opens up the back, releases any tension. Shake it out. Oh, yeah. Swing those arms, shake those hands, do whatever you need to do before we move to the other side. All right, I like to switch the crossing of my legs. In between, I'm just going to pat my legs and rub my legs. All right, cross those legs again, make that Sufi grind in the opposite direction. Nice big circles there. Inhale, chest forward, exhale, round the back. Make sure you keep those hips grounded in the process. And I always like to have a nice smile on my face as I move into my day. Are you smiling? Come on, big smile for me as you sweep those arms high overhead. Move that rib cage from right to left. You got this. You are doing something amazing for yourself as you move into the twist on the other side. Right hand is on the left knee. Left hand is behind you. And you're breathing deeply in and out of your nose or doing that breath of fire. Stay in the twist. Another breath. And then sweep the left arm up and overhead. Right hand stays on your left knee. Relax those shoulders, ground through the hips. Cross the left arm in front of your right, and again, we are folding forward. Chin is softening to your chest, forehead is releasing down. Now, this is not about getting your head to the floor. Keeping the hips grounded, opening up the back body in the process, getting that extra stretch across your scapulas. Slowly lift your upper body, elbows stay crossed. Eagle arms, we are circling those eagle arms in one direction. And then then we go to the other direction, nice and slow. Unravel the arms, open the chest. Extend those legs out in front of you, give them a little shake, and then slowly fold forward. Now, the legs can be together or slightly apart, doesn't matter. You're just simply folding and releasing over the legs, kind of bowing into your most highest divine self. Breathing deep in and out of your nose. All right, beautiful one. Open those legs a little bit wider if you want. We're going to sink in a little deeper. Now, this pose is perfect for grounding, setting the foundation for your day. I like to massage my legs sometimes, rub them a little bit. And then when you're ready, start to lift your upper body. I'm still kind of rubbing my legs, so feel free to do that. And then you're going to bring the soles of your feet together. Now, the heels are not coming in super close. This is more of a diamond shape. The hands are resting on the shins. Spine is long, and I just want you to breathe deeply. I encourage you to close your eyes in the process and maybe go back to that affirmation. Go back to that intention you set. When you're ready, draw the legs together. Place the soles of your feet behind you. We're going to do a nice little back bend. The fingertips are facing your hips. Feet are apart, and you're going to rise and lift up. So a nice little reverse tabletop. Hips are lifting, chest is lifting, grounding through all 10 toes and feet. Drop the head back if that's comfortable, and gently lower your hips down. Inhale, lift the hips back up. Chin can stay tucked into your chest or drop your head back. You're breathing deeply in and out of your nose and lifting those hips high. Now, if this is uncomfortable, you can just lift your chest. Keep the hips on the ground. Inhale, lift up again. Take as many as it feels right for you. Come down when you are ready. Breathing in, breathing out. Now let's slowly lower those hips. Bring the soles of the feet together. Place your hands on your shins. Grab your big toes, grab your feet, whatever feels good for you. And thank yourself for showing up, for being present, and taking time to start your day. Stay spiritually fly. Ciao.